Okay, probably the most useful video I can show you guys right now. Everyone has been asking, so I'm showing y'all super quick how to apply textures when you open up a file and your stuff is all gray. So the way you do it is know where they live, first of all, but you go under Windows, General Editors, File Path Editor. And when you open it up, you're probably going to see some red X's like this. If you have multiple models in your file, just select the model that you're trying to fix one by one. In this case, I just see this sharp guy, so I'm going to select everything. You can select individual ones if you want, but it should just be all the materials kind of nested under of that character. So in this case, I'm going to select all of it. You just go Repath Files. And you go to Browse, and then go find where your file lives. So for me, mine is under here. But find out where your stuff lives. And you should have either like a Maya swatches folder like this or a textures folder. But just go look in your actual file and see where it is. You're not going to see files. It's just wanting a folder. So I clicked on that folder and I said, okay, set. You can see it'll show up here. You don't have to check anything else. Just say repath. Ta-da! It'll take a second. It should turn green arrows. If for whatever reason it doesn't, like it doesn't have to be green arrows. Basically, if you see your materials, you know you did it right. If you're still not seeing materials after you've done that, and you know you're pointing at the right stuff, you can come under here, go under shading in your viewport, and make sure hardware texturing is turned on. That's a key. Worst case scenario, if for some reason you run into a situation, just reach out to me if you have this happen. But if you can't figure out what the material is, why it's not working, if you select the geo of the character and go into your attribute editor, oh, this is a whole group. Usually, if you kind of get to just the geo for the thing, if you kind of click on here, you can kind of find stuff like this. That would be the material. The material always lives in this under here. But here I can see like, oh, there's a file path to the color. That's what this little logo means. If you see this little box with an arrow, it's saying there's something connected to it. So if you click it, it'll take you to it. And I can see, I can even hit view. It never works. It worked. But it shows you the material file, which this is what a material file looks like. So you can always click this and manually go path. This is like that location that I typed in is this right here. So it just went and dumped it and it's looking for anything that's in that folder. That is how you would repath your textures.